In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the audio quality of your video projects by using audio effects in After Effects. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can give your audio that crisp, clean sound by reducing unwanted noise. Start by selecting the audio layer within your composition. If your audio is nestled within a video layer, select that instead. This is your starting point for applying any necessary audio enhancements. Now, navigate to the top menu bar and select Effect. From the drop-down menu, go to Audio. Here, you'll see several options like the high-pass filter, parametric equalizer, or various denoise style effects, depending on the version of After Effects you're using. These tools are helpful, but remember, After Effects is primarily a video editing software, so its audio effects are somewhat limited. For instance, some users have noted that its features aren't as advanced as those found in dedicated audio editing software, but they can still be quite handy for basic noise reduction tasks. Once you've chosen your desired effect, it's time to tweak the settings in the Effect Controls panel. For the high-pass filter, adjust the cutoff frequency. Raising this frequency can effectively remove low hums or rumbles from your audio. If you opt for a parametric equalizer, focus on pinpointing the frequency bands where unwanted noise resides. This might be a persistent hiss, or even the hum of a fan in the background. Carefully attenuate these frequencies to diminish the noise. It's crucial, however, to tread lightly here. Overdoing these adjustments can result in audio that sounds thin or unnatural. Many users have voiced concerns about this, cautioning that After Effects might not have the ideal tools to handle complex audio problems. If you're finding it challenging to achieve your desired results, consider exporting your audio and cleaning it up in specialized software like Audacity or Audition. These programs offer more robust capabilities, and once your audio is free of noise, you can bring it back into After Effects with ease. After applying your chosen effect, take a moment to preview your composition. Listen intently to ensure that while you've successfully reduced noise, the important sounds, such as dialogue, are still clear. Focus on maintaining the integrity of your main audio elements. If you encounter a constant hum or airflow issue, an additional step you can consider is creating a specific notch in the EQ to target the offending frequency, say a 60 Hz hum, to further enhance your audio clarity. When you're happy with the adjustments and your audio sounds just right, it's time to render your video or audio as usual from After Effects. With your audio fine-tuned, your final product will not only look great, but sound amazing as well.